Okay, right. Piecewise
Yeah.
function. Okay. A piecewise function is a function that is defined by different expression. Okay, or you can say defined by formulas of different interval. Okay, so it means the rule for finding fx tangent depending on the value of x. Right? I give one example. First, right, a piecewise function is a function that is defined by different expression. Okay, you can use two expression, three expression, four expression. You can use many expression. Okay, yes, or you can say define or formulas for different variable. Sorry, interval for different interval.
Wait. A piecewise function is the function that is defined by different what?
Different expressions. Sorry,
Okay.
expressions are formula for different intervals. Okay, of the input variable. Usually we use x, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So fx can be anything. Let's suppose this is expression number one. Okay. For interval, first interval you can say for condition number one. Let's suppose expression number two. It can be zero, any number, minus one, plus one, or anything. Okay. Expression can be anything. It may be constant or variable. If
Okay.
condition number two. Okay. And so on. Expression number n. If condition n. Okay. For example, absolute value. Absolute value is what? Let's suppose this is x. X is positive. If x is positive, then you will take positive x. If x is negative, then you will take negative x. Right? Yes. So you can say, and this is a definition of mod x, right? That's why
Yeah.
mod x is called a piecewise function. Why? Because mod x can be expressed in two expression, one for this condition and second for this condition, right? Yes, piecewise function. So you can say a piecewise function is a function which is represented by different expression for different conditions. Okay, and when you plot the diagram, you can write when x is greater than or equal to 0, it is positive x, right?
Yes.
Yes, and when x is less than 0, it is minus x, and minus x is represented by opposite of x, right?
Yes.
Yes, but this is, but fx is what? Mod x. Mod x means you will get only positive value of x, right?
Yes.
So I will remove negative part of fx. This part will be removed, right? So only this is your final answer. Okay? Yes. Okay. One more example you can see. Let's suppose fx is what? X square. When x is less than 0. Okay? When x goes from 0 to 2, it is a line, right? And when x is greater than 2, it is 3. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to plot the diagram of this figure, how will you draw? First, draw this line, right? See here. First, I will draw this part. When x is negative means left side. For left side, it is parabola, right?
Yes.
And you know figure diagram for parabola is this,
Yeah.
but it is saying that x is less than 0, right?
Yeah.
X is less than 0 means what? Remove the part of x from right side because it is less than 0.
Yes.
Understood? This part is removed. Now one more important thing, what? X is strictly less than 0, not equal to 0, right?
Yes.
Then always put a hole here. Hole represent what? That point is not included, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I will draw this line, right? How will you draw? You know, this is what? Fx is what? X plus 1. X plus 1
Yeah.
means this is x,
Yes.
and plus 1 means 1 unit shifted upside, right?
Yeah.
Yes. But one more thing, what? X lies from 0 to 2. So remove the left part of x, right?
Yes.
Because x starts from where? 0,
Yes.
and it is going to 2. Understood?
Wait, wait, no. Wait, what? What are you supposed to do?
See, you have plot a line, right?
Yeah.
But you can, but this line is for from x is equal to infinity minus infinity to plus infinity. But you have to plot the line from 0 to 2 only.
Yeah.
Yes. For 0 to 2, you can see here, this is x is equal to 0. So I
Yeah.
start from this line from here, right?
Yes.
And up to 2. Okay.
Oh, so two is over there.
Yes.
Okay.
So 2 is the upper bound. So I stop here. Let's suppose this is 2.
Okay.
Okay. So on putting 2, we'll get 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now third line is what? When x is greater than 2, y is equal to 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it is greater than 2, the value of y is 3. So 3 is what? This is 3, right? But x is greater than what?
X is greater than two.
X is greater than 2. So remove the value of x which is less than 2, right?
Wait, can you repeat what is called like the whole thing? I was writing.
Okay. Up to here you understood?
Yeah.
First
Yeah, no.
example.
I
First,
understood up to like zero. I understood up to x plus one. I didn't listen to
okay.
three.
I explain again. First write up to here. Okay.
Yeah, I wrote it today.
You
I
already
just need
noted?
yes.
Okay. See, again I tell you. See, fx is what? 2x plus 3. No, fx is mm, x square, right? fx is what? X square. Then x plus 1, right?
Yeah.
And then 3, right? But why fx is x square when x is less than 0? And when x goes from 0 to 2, it will be x plus 1. When x greater than 2, it will be 3, right?
Yeah.
See, first I plot first condition. First condition is what? Fx is x square when x is less than 0. Understood? And you know the graph of x square is parabolic.
Can we stop it?
Yes. But
Open circle.
uh, I stop here, right? With open circle. Okay. Why I am not plotting this? Because x is less than 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood? If condition is not given, then you can plot the whole parabola. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Now we will plot for second. Fx is x plus 1 when x goes from 0 to 2. So first plot a line, forgot the condition. First plot the line for x plus 1. X plus 1 is what? This is x, right? And this is plus 1.
Yeah.
Understood? But x goes from where?
0 to 2.
0 to 2. 0, 0 means what? From this line.
Yes.
So I will remove the value of x which is less than 0, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
And up to 2. Let's suppose this is 2. 2 comma 0. So up to 2 means you will stop here. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, when you put 2, you will get 2 plus 1, 3. Understood? And the third condition is what? Y is equal to, or you can say fx is equal to 3. 3 is what? A line. This
Yeah.
is y is equal to 3. Or you can say fx is equal to 3. When x is greater than 2. Greater than 2 means from here. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, it will be a straight line. Okay. So your final figure will be what? Your final figure will be right. This is your final figure.
Okay.
I think you understood now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can we go over some problems?
Okay. You noted this?
Yeah.
Okay. Which problem?
Um, 12 and 13. And 11, 12, and 13.
Okay. First we see 11. Okay. See 11. What error did Mateo make when defining the domain of the graph? Okay. What is domain? Domain is
X.
all real number. Here is what? Domain is define all real number. So if domain is all real number, Okay, first I see what is the question. Communicate. Okay.
Just from 11. There's no continuation.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So domain is what? All real number?
Yeah.
Yes. If domain is all real number, then there will be no hole.
Wait, are you saying there'll be full circle or no full circle?
Domain is what? All real number, right?
Yeah.
If all real number, then it will contain dark hole.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So you cannot skip this. You have to included this, right?
Yes.
But if I ask you what is the expression of this function, then you will say this is a line, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can say if the domain is all real number, but the graph has a gap, right?
Yes.
There are x value where no point of graph exists between 0 and 1, right?
Yeah.
Yes, with open end point. Okay. So if I ask what is the domain, domain will be what? From minus
Oh,
4, this is minus 4. You can see this is minus 4. So domain will be what? Minus 4 to 0. Why
okay.
0 is open interval? Because there is no connection.
Okay.
And 1 to 4. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So you can say what? Matthew said the domain is all real number, but the graph has a gap. So this is the
Yes.
error. Okay. That is, there are x values where no point of the graph exists between 0 and 1.
Oh,
So this is the correct domain. Understood?
yeah.
Yes.
So the circle it needs to be full.
If either you can include that whole circle, or you can dark that circle, or you can correct the domain.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
But you cannot change the domain because domain is already all real number given,
Yeah.
right? You have to tell only what error did Matthew did, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
How did you get that domain that you just made like -40 union 1 4? How did you
Uh,
get that?
See, from minus 4 to 3. Sorry, this is not 0, this is 3 actually,
Oh,
right? Union
yes.
3 to 4. 3 to 4. Okay.
Oh,
So 3
yeah.
is at open interval. I wrote there 0, sorry. This is 3 to 4.
Wait, but the open circle means not including, so like, why are you
Yes.
including it?
No, I'm not include. That's why I use open interval.
Oh, okay.
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 If I used closed interval, then you can say 3 is included.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can we do the next problem?
Okay. Communicate with forward value of x is the function. Defining. Okay, basically you have to tell the domain of the function.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see if you plot the diagram, what will you get?
Um,
This is minus 3x, right?
yes,
Plus 4. Plus 4 means 4 is added.
yes,
Yes, right?
yeah,
So this is what you can write here. Minus 3x plus 4. Minus 3x plus 4. And this is 2x
yeah,
and plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 unit upside, right?
yes,
This is 2x plus 1. Now, if domain is not given, then we can say this will be my graph. But domain is defined. What? For red color, it will be from minus 2 to 3, right?
yeah.
So let's suppose this is minus
Minus
2
two.
and this is 3. Okay, understood?
Oh, yeah.
And this is for 4 to 9. And one more important thing, at minus 2 there is open interval. So make a hole, right?
Yeah.
And here dark circle will be there. Understood?
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
For the 3-1, shouldn't it be like stopping at the X line? Why is the line continuing?
Uh, it is, it will not continue because line goes from minus 2 to 3 only.
Yeah, I know, but like, okay, let's say you know where the line is at the X, where the X intercept is. Let's say that's 3. Why shouldn't it stop there?
I stop here because there is a dark circle. You
You
can,
know what?
you
On the
can,
X-axis,
yes,
let's say that the line intersects the point 3. Let's just say that. Um, why shouldn't you stop there?
okay. I have not finalized the figure. First, I plot this figure. Let's see what happen next. In second figure, x goes from 4 to 9,
Yes.
right? And this is a 4, okay?
Yeah.
Sorry, this is 3 and this will be 4. So your
Yes.
graph starts from 4. 4 means from here,
Oh, okay.
okay, to 9. Let's suppose this is 9. 9 comma 0. So other remaining part I can delete this. So your figure is
Wait.
what? 4 to 9. This is 4. So you can
Yeah.
remove this part.
So
Remove
wait,
this
what are we
part.
supposed to be? Are we supposed to provide a graph or what? What is the question asking?
Graph is not asking. I am explaining with graph. In question, you are asked to find only domain. So domain is what? X belongs to minus 2 to 3, union 4 to 9. That's it.
Wait, how is it minus 2 to 3?
Because
Oh,
minus 2
okay,
to, yes,
yeah, yes, yes.
yes. I was explaining with graph so that you can understand.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Go to the next.
Yes. For this part is remaining graph will be deleted. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Which one? 13?
Yeah.
Okay. Mathematical analysis of the piecewise function. Find two values which have same value of y. and the sum of value is 10. Okay, it is saying that it is related with mathematical connection. Okay. Okay. Fx is what? 7 when x is greater than 13. When x is less than 30, it is 5x minus 3. Okay. Find the value, find two x values that have same value of y, and the sum of x value is 10. Okay. So you have to choose two value of x for which the value of fx is same, right?
Okay.
Okay. And second thing is the whatever you choose the value of x, their sum is 10. Let's suppose two value of x is x1 plus x2 is equal to 10.
No. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, right? Understood? Okay. So, and the second thing is what? fx1 is equal to fx2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. Fx1 is equal to fx2, right? Let's suppose the function values are x1, x2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you can write fx1 is what? 7,
Yes.
and fx2 is what? 5x minus 3. When you,
Yes.
yes, when you put equal, you will get what? 10, 5x. So x will be what? 2, right?
Wait, how did you do it again?
Uh,
So
yes. Find two us that have same value of y, right? So,
yes.
yes. So I put fx1 is equal to fx2, where fx1 is
Yes.
equal to 7 and fx2 is equal to 5x minus 3.
Yes.
Okay. Or you can also write fx2 here.
Okay.
So x2 is what? 2. But x1 plus x2 is what? 10. So
Yes.
x1 becomes 8. So you can say for x1 is equal to 8 fx1. Fx1 means what? Fx1 is what? F8. And this is true because x is greater than 3. If
Yes.
x is greater than 3 and I already choose f8, it is 7. This is true. And x2 is equal to 2. Fx2 we choose what? Y x2 is equal to 2. It means x is less than or greater less than or equal to 3. Then we choose 5x minus 2. Again we are getting 7. Okay.
Okay.
So your final solution is what? X1 is equal to 8 and x2 is equal to 2.
Can we do the next question? Because like this whole page is really hard. I don't really understand.
You did not understand this?
Then I understood it, but I mean the whole page. This whole page, I mean.
Okay.
Up till now I understand it.
Higher order thinking. The function is greater than without the output is greater value. Okay. So
Wait,
I
is it just asking f of x equals mod x?
not mod x. I tell you this is a special type of function, and I will explain this with clear example. See, greatest integer function, right?
Yes.
Right, greatest integer function heading. Greatest
Yes.
integer function is what? But in the question, 1 minute, 3.2. Okay. Okay. Screen visual.
Mhm.
Screen is visual.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is greatest integer? Greatest integer is denoted by this function. It means that when you put x is equal to 2.3, you will get what? Okay. See, this is the symbol of what? Greatest integer function.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
It means this is equals to the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay. For example, if you put 3.2, what will be the greatest integer?
Yes.
No, no, no. You will choose only integer value, integral value, which is less than 3.2. So tell
Oh,
me what is the integer value less than 3.2?
3.1.
No, no, integer, integer. Integer is not in point.
Oh, 3.
Yes. Understood? Integer is what? 1, 2, 3 with negative sign you can take, right? These are integer value. Understood? So choose integral value which is less than 3.2. What will be the 3.2? 3. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. 0.975. What is the integer less than point 0.9?
Uh, -1.
No, no, 0.
Oh, 0, sorry.
Yes. You can plot like this. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 0.975, right? So, yes, the integer which is less than 0.975 is 0. Understood?
Yeah.
If I ask you what is the greatest integer of minus 1.3?
-1.
No, no, no. Minus 1 is greater than 1.3, right?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Then -2.
Minus 2. Very confusing, right? For
Yeah.
negative sign, you will choose greater value with negative sign. Understood?
Yes.
Now tell this.
What are they asking? Even I don't understand the question. What are
I,
they
I
asking?
am telling. I am telling. You are asked to find the graph. How the graph looks like. So what is the value of minus 0.99? What integer will be there which is less than minus 0.99?
Integer less than like 0.
No, 0 is greater than minus 0.99.
Wait, what?
0 is
Oh, wait,
greater than, yes, minus 1. Now you understood?
wait, are you saying negative 0.99?
Yes, negative 0 point,
Oh, negative.
yes,
I
understood? Okay, so you can say, right, mod x is what? Less than Rn and n plus 1. So, greatest integer value always lies between greatest integer less than or equal to x up to n plus 1, right?
yeah,
So, you can see that if I ask you what is the value of 0, it is 0.
yeah.
What is the value of point 1? Tell
It's
me.
1, 0.
0. What is the value of
Yeah,
point 5?
0.
What is the value of point 9?
Oh, 0.
0. Understood? What is the value of 1?
Um,
1. So you can see that, right?
yeah.
From 0, let's suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on.
So are they asking us to graph 3 comma 0?
Yes, from 0 to 1, it is open, right?
Yes.
Okay. So from 0 to 1, for the value of x from 0 to 1, you will get always 0. Understood?
Yeah.
From 1 to 2, clear? From 1 to
Yes.
2, what will you get? 1 only. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yes. From 2 to
So then,
3, you will get always?
well, sorry.
Yes.
So then for like 3.2, you'd get 3.
Yes. Understood?
Wait, wait, wait. How did you graph? How are you supposed to know what height to put it at? Like you know that the open circle, right? How do you know
Open,
where to put?
open circle at end point. Why? Because if you take 0.999, you will always take 0. Right? Okay. 1 minute. I did one mistake. See, from you can see from 0 to 0.99999, whatever 9 is there, you will take
Yes.
always 0. Understood? So
Yes.
from 0 to 1, this is 1.
Yes.
At 1 it is whole. Why? Because you cannot take integer greater than or equal to, right? Yes. From 1 to 2, always choose 1, right? You cannot choose the value 2. So there is a hole on 2. Understood?
Yes.
So from 2 to 3, your value will be 2. Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
From 3 to 4,
Why would it be?
the value will be 3. This is 3. Understood?
Yeah.
That's why I uh, dark this circle and open this circle. Dark means what? I am containing this part, but I am not containing this part. Okay?
Yes.
Understood? So your graph looks like what? A staircase.
So for 3.2,
So for
and
negative value, it will be what? Understood?
yes.
Yes. This will be open. This is -1, this is -2, and so on. Understood?
Yes.
This is dark, this is open.
So wait, can you graph that for me just so I can see an example?
Graph what?
Can you graph that question so I can see an example?
I plot this graph, na? This is the graph of this.
Wait, what? That is? It's asking for 3.2 and equals 3, so
At 3.2, this is an example actually. At 3, when you take 3.2, you will get what? 3. You can see here. I am drawing with red color. See. 3.2 means what? If the value of x is 3.2, this is 3.2. You are choosing what? 3, right?
yeah, but you only need to draw 2 staircases. Why drawing like the whole thing for every single thing? Is that for an example? Or...
This is general graph actually. I draw this general graph. If you
So
want
you
to,
don't need a staircase.
yes, if you want to draw the graph of this, then I am writing here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So for 0.975, 975 lies here, right?
Yeah.
So 0.975. This is what? 0.975 value will be 0. So you can see this is 0. And for 3.2, 3.2 means this is 3.2. Okay.
Yeah.
At 3.2 you are getting 3. Understood?
Yes.
So this graph is for, but
So
this is general graph.
are you supposed to draw it when you what is called have 0 as the value?
Uh,
Like
you,
for
you
example, 975.
at
You have
0.975 you are on the x-axis, and x-axis represent y is equal to 0.
oh okay. So you just draw nothing.
Yes. Draw, actually you can dark this so that teacher can understand where is the graph. You can dark this, okay, or you can draw with a higher dimension. Yes.
You know that problem.
Okay, next 15.
It's yeah,
A cell phone company restrict the data speed for customer after their view. And download is random to company maximum time. Okay, see, you want to convert, first convert GB into megabits. Okay, Mbps, because something are given in GB and something are in Mbps. So change everything into Mbps. So 1 GB is approximately equal to 8000 MB. It is given in the question already. Okay. Speed is what? 43 Mbps until 10 GB. Okay. Then 36 Mbps after 10 GB. Okay. So time will be what? Megabits per Mbps divided by 60. This time is in minute. That's I divided by 60. If you want in second, then you can divide by 3600. Okay? Okay. Okay. So time will be what? 8800x upon 43 into 36. This is into. Okay. So megabits what? 8000.
Yes.
Right. So and 43 upon megabits per second. So you can multiply here 60, not 63. On simplifying, you will get what? 400 upon 129x. What is x? X goes from 0 to 10, right? Because you have only 10 GB,
Okay.
right? Okay. So this is a time for when x is goes from 0 to 10, right? But after 10 minutes, what will you use? When x is greater than 10, what is the condition?
36.
Yes. So 8000x, 8000 into 10, 43 into 60 plus, because you are using extra data, right? That's why 8000 x minus 10, 36 into 60. Okay. Why x minus 10? Because remaining GB from 10 item, right?
Yes.
Yes. So on simplifying, you will get what? Time is equal to, you have two things, 400x upon 129 when x goes from 0 to 10, and when x goes from greater than 10, it will be, on simplifying, you will get 400, 4000 upon 129 plus, okay? Yeah. This is your condition.
Can we do question 18?
18.
Yeah, just to go down.
Write each absolute value of array. I already told you how to solve this.
Oh, wait. How do you, no, they're asking to make it a piecewise one, so how are you supposed to do that?
Okay. Write each absolute value function as a piecewise function. It's very easy. See, see, uh, mod x is what?
Um, the
V-shaped curve.
the- what?
Mod x is what? V-shaped curve.
Yeah.
Okay. See, you can write in this way. Fx is equal to what? Okay, this will be what? Negative of 3x plus 1 when x is negative, and this will be positive when x is greater than or equal to 0. Just only this thing. Understood? Yes.
Yeah.
If you want to plot the diagram, what will you do? First, draw mod x. What is mod x? Right? Then 3 is multiplied. 3 is multiplied means, okay? And then plus 1. Plus 1 means upside 3 unit. Understood? Only this is the figure. So this is what mod x. This is mod 3x. And this is mod 3x plus 1. Yeah. Right, this
Okay.
C19. This is 18 actually, okay? Multiply x on both sides.
What throw question is this?
This is 19. Right, this is your answer.
Okay.
Noted?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, any other question?
Um, question 17.
17. Okay, write the rule that define the function. Okay, it's very easy. See, okay. This is a line, right? But line is shifted to 5 unit upside. If you increase this, you will get 5 unit, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you can write here fx is equal to what? X plus 5. When x goes from See, this is minus 1, right? From minus, this is what? Arrow. Arrow indicates it is going forward, right? So from, yeah, you can say when x is less than minus 1. And here is a dark circle. So you can write here x greater than or equal to. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Now see, this is a what? Y is equal to minus 2.
Yeah.
Y is equal to minus 2. It is minus 2 when there is a open circle. Open circle means from x is equal to 1 to for x greater than 1. That's it. This is the rule for which graph. Okay.
Okay.
Note down this.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Are you available tomorrow same time?
Let me go ask my dad. I'll be right back.
Okay, you can message me.
Yeah, I'll message.
Okay. So today we can stop